Hello dear student, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, you will be glad to know that I am very fine. Dear student, before starting the class, before going to start the class, I would like to introduce myself. Dear student, I am Polash Kumar Ghosh, assistant head teacher, Mubarak Ali Secondary School, Kaliganj, Zenaidah. Dear student, I am present here to help you something in English grammar. Dear student, as usual, I will take an online class, and I think this class is very essential for you, and this is very important to you, dear student. And I hope that if you enjoy this class, and I am sure that you will be much benefited, dear student. So today's class I am going to dedicate it for the student of class 10. Okay, dear student, now you will get ready. When I start my class, dear student, listen and enjoy and get ready on your khata. When I write any important topics, dear student, then of course you will be noted down on your khata. Dear student, when you will get free time, then you will must benefit, dear student. Dear student, so now I am going to take around the class. Dear student, now look at the whiteboard. Dear student, today I am going to discuss an important topics on completing sentence. Today's topic is if plus conditional. Dear student, I think it is very important to you. Dear student, if you want to learn any grammar, then you should know the rules. And I think the rules and the meaning both are equally important, dear student. So I am going to teach this grammar in easy way. Dear student, after teaching this grammar, you will be clear about if plus conditional. Dear student, there are three conditional. If plus conditional, there are three parts. Dear student, the first part, if plus present. Dear student, look, if plus present. Dear student, if any sentence starts if plus present, what should you do? Dear student, I am going to write the rules. I think if you follow the rules, then you can use and you can write any example on according to this rule. Dear student, subject will or, dear student, shall be on or extension. Dear student, if you face if plus present in completing sentence, then you should use this rule. Subject will or shall plus be on plus extension. Dear student, now I am writing an example to clear about this structure. Dear student, if you come here. Dear student, if you face or if you find, if you come here, if, this is if, and come, this is present form. So now you have to use this structure. According according to this structure, I think you can write a sentence, dear student. So if you come here, I will help you. Dear student, this is subject and will V1 and extension. Okay, dear student. Dear student, I think when you see or find these kinds of sentence, then of course you should use this structure. And I am sure that if you follow this structure, then you can complete the completing sentence. Dear student, now 2. If plus, dear student, if plus past. So subject should, would, given, extension. Dear student, if you find this kinds of sentence if plus past, then you should use this structure. If you use this structure, then you can complete the completing sentence clearly. Dear student, now I am writing an example to clear about this structure. If he phoned me. Dear student, follow. If you if he phoned me, if, and this is the V2 or the second form of verb or past form. So then what should you do? Then you should use this structure, and according to this structure you can make a sentence. Dear student, he should, if he phoned me, then I would answer him. Dear student, so this is past form, and for this why we have used would plus V1. Okay, dear student, if you face this kinds of sentence, then of course you should use this structure. Okay, dear student, this is second conditional, first conditional, this is the first conditional, this is the second conditional, and the last third conditional. Dear student, I hope that you have already noted down on your khata and the two rule. Now I am going to discuss about the another rule and the third conditional. Dear student, the third conditional, if plus past perfect. Dear student, if plus past perfect, and then dash. Then what should you do? Dear student, now I am going to write the structure, and dear student, I think if after giving this structure, then you will be clear about this completing sentence. Okay, dear student, please listen and follow. Subject would have, and the past participle, the shortest form V3, and then EX. Okay, dear student, then if you find, or if any sentence starts if plus past perfect, then you should use this structure. According to this structure, you can make any kinds of sentence. Okay, dear student, if you want to complete the completing sentence and if plus third conditional, then you should use these kinds of structure. I hope that if you know this structure, if you follow this structure, and you can complete this completing sentence. Okay, dear student, now I am going to write an example to clear about this sentence. Dear student, look. If I had earned a lot of money, that is true. If I had earned a lot of money, that is true. This is third conditional. Why is it third conditional? If you see or find, or if any sentence starts if and then the past perfect tense, then you have to clear that their sentence is obviously if plus third conditional. Okay, that is true. If I had earned a lot of money, then subject I would have helped the poor. That is true. If I had earned a lot of money, I would have helped the poor. Okay, that is true. This is third conditional. Okay, my dear student, I have already discussed about the three conditional: if plus present, if plus past, and if plus past perfect. Dear student, I hope that you have already noted down this rule. And dear student, when you will get free time, then you see this rule, and if you practice again and again, dear student, I hope that you will be much benefited. There is no hesitation on completing sentence. Okay, dear student, this is the end of today's class. See you next class. Till then, dear student, take care of your health and go on your study. Thank you.